Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Endless possibilities await. Located in the east, Aintree, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, is this spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home for sale. It offers incredible potential for homeowners or investors looking to customize a property to their liking. With a well designed layout, the home provides ample living space, making it ideal for a growing family or rental income opportunities. Whether you envision a modern upgrade or a cozy retreat, this property is a canvas ready for your personal touch. Call today to arrange a viewing or make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $138.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.